Welcome back, AP Stats students, looking at cumulative practice test number 3, question 4, AP 3.4. It says the distribution of GPA for a certain college is approximately normal with a mean of 2.5 and a standard deviation of 0.6. According to the 68, 95, 99.7 rule, within which interval would we expect to find approximately 81.5% of all GPAs? So let's get our normal curve on. Normal curve looking. The mean, we're told, is 2.5. And if we go one standard deviation away on both sides, we would be adding or subtracting 0.6 to 2.5, so that would be 3.1, and then a 1.9. And if we go another standard deviation away, that would be a 3.7 and a 1.3. So let's check out these different answers that we have. We want 81.5%. Well, we know from here to here is 68%. 68% of observations on a normal curve fall within one standard deviation away. So I think at this point, can we eliminate any answers? No, doesn't look like it yet. And from here, 3.7 to 1.3, that would be 95% of the data fall within two standard deviations of the mean. Now that's too big. 1.3 to 3.7. So for instance, this answer, that cannot be the answer because that would be 95% of the data. So that's not it. Let's see, what else could we do and eliminate? This one, this is way bigger than the current interval that we're looking at. This would probably be 99.7% of the data. So that would be out here 4.2 and out here 0.7. So that's no good. Let's look at these other responses. Now the 81.5, that would be this 68% in here plus one of these tails, or it's not really a tail, but one of these sections right here. So if you did 95 minus 68, that gives us 27. If you divide that by 2, that would be 13.5. So you want an interval that has that middle 68% plus one of those little sections, 13.5, because that would equal 81.5, and that's the percentage that we're looking for. So the answer is either going to be 1.9 to 3.7, which I see right here, or the answer could be 3.1 down to 1.3, which I do not see that, thankfully, because otherwise we'd have two competing answers. But the answer here would be C. 1.9 to 3.7 is 81.5% of all GPAs. Thanks for watching.